What if a simple maintenance job, something as routine as changing your cabin air filter, could actually put your car at risk of catching fire? It sounds extreme, but that's exactly the concern behind a new recall from BMW. According to recent reports, more than 58,000 vehicles are being recalled in the United States due to a potential fire risk linked to a damaged wiring harness. And what makes this situation especially interesting is that the issue isn't coming from a traditional manufacturing defect. It may actually happen during regular servicing. From the perspective of Phi Hoang Channel, this is a perfect example of how modern luxury vehicles have become so complex that even routine maintenance can introduce unexpected risks. So what's going on? The problem involves the air conditioning system's wiring harness, specifically located near the cabin air filter. During maintenance, when technicians replace that filter, it's possible for a mounting screw or component to be installed incorrectly. If that happens, it can damage the wiring harness. And once that wiring is compromised, it creates the possibility of a short circuit. In the worst-case scenario, that short circuit could lead to a vehicle fire. Now, to be clear, BMW has stated that the likelihood of this happening is relatively low, estimated at less than 1% of affected vehicles. And as of now, there have been no reported crashes or injuries linked to the issue. But when fire is involved, even a small risk becomes a serious concern. This recall affects a range of BMW's more premium models, including the BMW 5 Series, BMW 7 Series, as well as electric models like the BMW i5 and BMW i7. From Phi Hoang Channel's point of view, that detail makes this story even more compelling. These are not entry-level vehicles. These are high-end sedans packed with advanced technology, precision engineering, and premium pricing. Yet, even at this level, something as simple as a service procedure can introduce risk. So how is BMW addressing the issue? The solution involves inspecting the wiring harness and replacing it if any damage is found. In addition, technicians will install protective measures, such as securing the wiring more effectively to prevent future contact or interference during maintenance. All repairs will be performed free of charge, and owners are expected to begin receiving official notifications starting in April 2026. From a broader perspective, this recall highlights a major shift in the automotive world. Modern vehicles are no longer just mechanical machines. They're highly integrated systems where electrical components, software, and physical hardware all interact closely. And that means even small errors, especially during servicing, can have significant consequences. From the perspective of Phi Hoang Channel, this raises an important question for car owners. How much do you trust the maintenance process behind your vehicle? Because in today's automotive landscape, it's not just about how well a car is built, it's about how well it's maintained. And as this situation shows, sometimes the biggest risks don't come from how a car is driven, but from what happens when it's being serviced.